So I went on Amazon last night, or excuse me, about a week ago. Sorry. And I purchased this hair dryer. It's awesome. And the reason it's awesome is because I have a ton of hair. You've seen it in videos. It gets bigger, and if you use one of those Target or Walgreens, Dwayne Reed's bonnet dryers, they're really round and they don't let all your hair free in there. So when I'm doing wash and goes and want to do a little drying, it smashes my curls down at the top and I never can get them back in the proper shape because they're drying in that shape. So this dryer gives you a lot of room. So it comes with this top piece all put together, and the only other pieces you have to put together is the base and then the black stick and the silver stick, and then you just sit the top on. It's super easy to put together. I'm actually going to turn it on for you. A good demo. It's gonna work for you guys. So I plugged it in. It has settings, so you can do it on 75, 65, 60, 55, 50, and then you have a cool section. The timer goes from 0 to 60. So I'm just turn it on. Literally the loudest thing about it is the timer. You can hear it going da, 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 and that's not actually bad. It flips up, so you can slide up underneath. You can just put a chair underneath here, and then I'm gonna go under, and it has plastic all right here. Get under here, it has a lot of room for you to get your head under here and your hair. So you're able to flip this cap down. The plastic on the sides around it will keep the heat in, and therefore your hair will get dry.